Coronary Artery Bypass Grafting, or CABG, is a life-saving surgical procedure that helps restore blood flow to your heart when the arteries supplying it are blocked or narrowed, often due to coronary artery disease, or CAD. During the procedure, a healthy blood vessel from another part of your body is used to create a new route around the blockage, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery to the heart muscle. CABG is one of the most commonly performed heart surgeries in the world and has a very high success rate. In most of the advanced centers, more than 95% of patients have successful outcomes following elective CABG surgery, helping reduce symptoms like chest pain and improving quality of life. Recovery usually involves a hospital stay followed by weeks of rest and cardiac rehabilitation, which helps strengthen your heart and body as you return to daily activities. Many patients see significant relief and increased vitality after their surgery. Thanks to advancements in telemedicine, you can now consult with top cardiac specialists from the comfort of your home before you travel. You can discuss your symptoms, ask questions about CABG, and explore your treatment options with expert doctors without leaving your city. MediGence is your partner in navigating cardiac care globally. Through MediGence, you can connect with top cardiac surgeons and hospitals, get expert second opinions, and receive personalized cost estimates for CABG treatment. MediGence also helps coordinate appointments, treatment planning, and follow-up care, so you feel supported at every step. With the right expertise, planning, and support, CABG can guide you toward a stronger heart and a healthier future. Visit www.medigence.com today to take your first step toward world-class cardiac care and peace of mind.